With the COVID vaccine in such limited supply, 65-year-old Steve Quiser wasn't about to let a January snowstorm, which dumped several inches, stop him from getting the shot.
You weren't going to let this snow get in the way of you getting your shot.
The snow was not going to stop me from getting my shot this morning. Once I got the notice, I was overjoyed and found my way down there. I wasn't going to stop. The snow didn't stop me from going.
He's one of 15,000 Froedtert patients 65 and up who were contacted, then booked for an appointment across 7 Froedtert health clinics, which started vaccinating Tuesday.
I was kind of overjoyed getting it done. I was excited about getting it done.
But the snow did force Milwaukee's vaccine hub here at the Wisconsin Center to close. The city says they didn't have enough staff and too many people canceled their appointments.
I want to note that no vaccine doses will go to waste because of this closure. Individuals who had appointments to be vaccinated today will be rescheduled for later this week.
While Quiser is happy to be a card-carrying member and will return for his second shot in a few weeks, he hopes others in the Black community who may be unsure follow in his footsteps and see there's nothing to fear.
To make a point to the friends and people around the world to know that there's nothing wrong to get the vaccination. You know, it's a help with the pandemic. It might stop the spread of the virus.
In Milwaukee, Hillary Mintz, WISN 12 News.
Mayor Barrett says the Wisconsin Center will reopen tomorrow. They are currently only vaccinating people in the 1A group, and it is not open to the public.